Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nakshatra and today I am going to be showing you guys my succulents. There's some over there, over here, and also I am propagating these succulents because a lot of their leaves are falling off. You can see over here. There are few. I'm putting them over here. I need to take and add. Yes, take and add. I've been doing this for some time. Some newly just fell off, so I am doing guys. Now I am going to be spraying the succulent with some water. See, let's spray this one. There's a lot of water. Now let's spray this one. So guys, this is an orely which we're gonna be decorating during festivals. I'm just spraying some water. I am trying to get it full. Now, let's move on to those succulents right there. So, this one, I've been watching it grow for 2 years. It's like all tiny, twisty, it has tiny pieces everywhere. And it's also like a hand. Like this is the big finger. So cool. And then this one, right next to it, it's like very long and it's spread out. I have a thread over there, up there. I have a thread there. That thread I'm gonna use to tie this cactus up. So guys, but I'm gonna do the cactus tying a bit later in the video. And let's move on to this side. Over here, it's very jumbled up, messy. I have my stand over here. I used to place the pots like that on it, but now it's become super rusty. I really love that stand, but I have to do it. But I'm gonna get a new stand. I have these mini pots everywhere. This one and this one are my two favorites, and the purple ones because that's my favorite color. Okay, so guys, and these are the mugs that we've been gifted. When we buy coffee powders and all this kind of stuff. It's like these, and we have literally so many that have been gifted to us. We don't have any more space to store them, so we're using them for planting. And I need to rearrange this right here now. It has a little fence, a crystally rock, I'm not quite sure what this is, a house, a little fuzzy bush. I really love this, so fuzzy. Over here, a little bench. I don't know where the other leg is, somewhere. This is the rock. There's rocks everywhere. A monkey. Let's check if there any more stuff. I don't think there are any other stuff. Let's take the rocks out. Wait. This. Now let's take the rocks fully out. So messy. I don't like messy stuff. If you guys have seen my other vlogs, you'll know. Okay, so guys, I got all of my tools to rearrange this thing. I got a shovel, a small rake, and this gardening scissors. I don't know why I need them. I just bought them because I like them. And I was also trimming these some time ago. And now, let's rearrange this. Let's do it. I'm gonna scrape this, and then with the shovel, I'm gonna start digging. Because I like playing with this kind of stuff. There's so much dirt. Guys, there's so much mud. Okay, so guys, this much mud is not sufficient. That's why I am getting all the mud from these pots. Just need to add. There the mud goes. This mud, so much mud. Please don't do anything mud. I think I need to shovel this mud out. Very wet. Guys, I love this. I love playing with this. I don't like it. I don't hate this. I love it. Yeah. I want to eat it. It looks so yummy. I'm just adding more and playing. No more rearranging. I like this. This mud is fun. Okay, so guys, I want to play with this, so I am putting this aside. Oopsies. I'm gonna rearrange this and I'm gonna play. Okay, this is enough mud. Got the fence. Where do I put the fence? Think I'll put it here. It's like a small fence area for me to play with. I might put this in my bedroom. So I put this over here. No, I put this over. This rock will go right outside over here. House. The house won't. The bench will go over here. Inside of the fence. There will be this. It's an ant. And this. And the rocks will go here, there, there. So pretty. Okay. So now when I was trying to first tricking out how I'll do it, I found out it was broken. So I'm gonna cut it and plant it in this with me. Take my scissors tools. Oh my god, I think something's biting me. Ouch. Eek. I'm trying not to touch it. Guys, I just cleaned this whole thing down. Took some time, but I've done it. And I really want to get off this thing because there's a giant spider. Ouch. Over there. It's been scaring me. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And also stay tuned for part 2 of this. Bye.